Have you ever watched Priyanka Chopra in an interview and thought, wow, her English is not just fluent, but it's magnetic? She speaks with clarity, poise, and power. And here's the good news, you don't need to be a celebrity to speak like one. Hi, I'm Faz, and in this video, I'll break down how you can speak English like Priyanka Chopra step by step. This is not about copying her accent or memorizing big words. It's about learning the communication habits that make her sound so confident and impactful. And if you enjoy videos like this and want guided practice, feedback, and fluency coaching, check out my spoken English classes. You'll find the link in the description below. I offer daily practice and support for all categories of learners. Now let's dive in. First, speak with purpose. Every sentence should have a message. Priyanka never rambles, whether she's answering an interview question or giving a speech. Each sentence has a clear point. How can you practice this? Start by writing down 3 opinions you have. Example, education should be practical. Suppose this is your topic. Now explain each one in just 2 to 3 clear sentences. Don't wander off the topic. Keep your thoughts sharp and focused, just like she does. An exercise you may follow. Practice daily with 3 sentences. Think of it like Twitter. You only get limited space. This trains your brain to speak with purpose, not just for the sake of speaking. Second, use the power of pause. Control your flow. Priyanka Chopra often uses strategic pauses in her speech. She lets her words breathe. This does not only add drama, but also gives the listener time to understand. And why is this important? Most intermediate speakers rush. They think speaking fast equals speaking fluently. But fluency is about flow, not speed. How to implement? Record a 30-second voice message. Then say the same thing again, but pause after every idea. Example, here's a sentence. I grew up in a small town. Pause. I never imagined being on a global stage. Pause. But I dreamed, I worked, and I achieved. Practicing pauses gives you confidence and control. Step 3. Confidence without arrogance. One reason Priyanka stands out is her natural confidence. She doesn't try to sound perfect. She owns her Indian accent, but speak with clarity and strength. A lesson for you. Stop waiting to be perfect. Own the way you speak and focus on clarity, not perfection. An exercise you may follow. Stand in front of a mirror for 2 minutes a day. Talk about something you love, like a movie, a place, or a memory. Smile, breathe, and keep an eye contact with yourself. You will notice your voice is becoming stronger every day. Step 4. Use emotion to make your words stick. Priyanka doesn't just say words, she makes you feel them. She adds emotion, whether she's excited, serious, or proud. And why it matters? People remember how you made them feel more than what you said. If you speak like a robot, people will forget. If you speak with heart, people will remember. An exercise you may follow. Choose a short paragraph from any English book or article. First read it flatly, then read it again with emotion. Then stress important words, change your tone, feel the sentence. Do this every day, you will speak like a storyteller, not just a speaker. A bonus tip, watch and learn, but break it down. Priyanka once said in an interview that she watches people's body language and how they speak to learn. Practice like this. Pick any English interview, hers or others, watch just 1 minute, then write down how many pauses, what kind of vocabularies were used, how was the tone. Then shadow it. Repeat the sentence with the same style. This watch, pause, and repeat method is gold for learners.